In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam VR not working. Whether you're an avid gamer or just someone who's encountered issues with Steam VR, stick around because in just 5 minutes we'll go through some straightforward steps to get you back on track. To begin with, you need to exit out of Steam completely. Sometimes simply closing the application can help reset any glitches or bugs that may be affecting Steam VR. Make sure to double check that it's not still running in your system tray or background processes. This ensures that when we restart Steam, it starts fresh. Next, let's go ahead and locate Steam on your computer. You can do this by hitting the start button and typing in Steam into the search bar. This is a quick way to find and access the application without having to navigate through folders manually. Once you've found Steam, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This step is crucial as it gives the application the necessary permissions it might need to function correctly, especially if there are any underlying admin level issues interfering with its operation. Now that you have Steam open, navigate over to the library section. This is where all your games and VR software are housed. From here, you'll be able to manage and troubleshoot any specific game that isn't launching as it should. Choose the game that's giving you trouble, right-click on it, and select Properties. Doing so opens a window where you'll find various settings related to the game. You'll need to move to the Installed Files tab. Here you'll have options to manage the game's installation, including updates and file integrity. You'll now see an option labelled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Clicking on this prompts Steam to check for corrupted or missing files within the game's installation directory, and it will automatically replace them if it finds any discrepancies. This process can solve a lot of common game launching problems. If you're running other VR software alongside Steam VR and it's still not working as expected, consider removing those other VR applications. Conflicts between different VR systems can sometimes cause issues. By ensuring only one VR application is running, you may eliminate potential software clashes. Finally, if all else fails, you might need to reinstall Steam VR. This last resort method can resolve stubborn issues by wiping out any erroneous settings or files and replacing them with fresh software. Uninstall Steam VR from your library, then go ahead and reinstall it from scratch. This fresh installation can often do the trick. And there you have it, some simple yet effective steps to get your Steam VR up and running again. If this video helped you, be sure to let us know, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any tips or questions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.